Maligayang party, maligayang party, maligayang party sa'yo. Nawa'y tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya.
60 ka na, Net. Welcome to the club. Kaya pala naman 66 na ako kasi 60 ka na. Ang hindi na lang nagbabago sa atin, yung boses mo sa pagkanta. Pero, syempre, masarap sariwain ng kabataan natin. Kung gaano tayo kasaya magpipinsan, kung gaano tayo nag-struggle, hanggang ngayon. Ang number one na gusto ko sa atin, kahit na matagal na tayong mga hindi nakikita, pag nakita parang wala lang. Diyan pa rin yung love, respect, at concern sa isa't isa. Happy 60th birthday! Sorry kagagaling ko lang sa sakit kaya medyo malamlam yung mata ko. Magpakasaya ka sa birthday mo, at lagi kayong magsama, mag-asawa, magmahalan, dahil habang nandiyan pa kayo dalawa. Happy 60th birthday!
Net, happy birthday! God bless! Salamat sa lahat! Happy New Year! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Net! Senior na yata, no? Sana mahaba pa yung buhay natin para makita pa natin mga apo natin na dadating. At papunta na tayo sa pagtanda. Hindi na tayo babata. Andyan lahat tayo papunta. Hangad ko ang yung mahabang buhay pa. At
happy 60th birthday, Nenet, and God continue to bless you with good health in mind, body, and spirit, and He grants all your wishes and dreams come true. Pure joy, abundance, and prosperity in your 60th birthday and always. And enjoy your special day with much love and surprises. Stay healthy, happy, and pretty as you are.
Happy
birthday,
60th
birthday.
Happy 60th birthday. Okay. Enjoy your day. At happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Sana ang babot din ako ganyang edad. Siguro sana. Siguro. Happy birthday ulit at sana dito ka nagdibo mo Philippines Sige, bye-bye, ingat. Bye-bye.
Tita Net, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come and I hope you have a great day on your birthday. Normally dapat magbabat kami mag-ama pero wala yung dalawa. I'm alone currently at Mandaluyong. But anyhow, I also want to thank you for all the help that you've given me also. Always, ever since lalo na pumasok pa ako dito sa buhay ko in college. And I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, thank you and hope you have a great day once again. And don't forget that our lives always have the best moments, so you should treat your everyday like your birthday na rin. But gawin mo na lang extra special sa birthday talaga. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nat. Greetings from Vienna. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. To your health and happiness.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your special day. Kisses and hugs.
Hello, Netsan! Oh my God! My BFF, my sister friend. It's your sweet 60th birthday now. Binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. saan ka man ngayon. I miss you so much, my dear friend. Oh my God, I miss our bonding together nung nasa main office pa tayo, magkakasama, yung halakakan, yung mga jokes and everything. I miss you so much. Hangad ko lang na maging lagi kang masaya, maligaya, at maganda ang iyong pangangatawan. Hope to see you again soon, and God bless. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, friend. Kumusta ka na dyan? Naku, balita ko birthday mo daw. Sabi, 60 years old ka na daw. Binabalita dito, 60 years old ka na. My God, akala ko 59 and 11 months ka lang. 60 na pala. Kidding aside, friend, hindi halata. Kasi love mo na sobra ka kasing masayahin. Sobrang masaya ang buhay. Maganda ang disposition sa buhay. Kaya ayan, young looking ka. Parang ako lang, di ba? So, sana nga stay young, stay healthy, stay beautiful inside and out. And sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang mga success mo sa life, sa family. And I love you so much. Alam mo yan, kahit na nasaan ka man, nasaan man ako, kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap, alam mo, within our heart, within my soul, within my kaloob-looban ng internal organs, ikaw pa rin ang beshi ng buhay ko. And I don't know what life would have been in the DFA without my beshi. Ikaw lang talaga. And of course, napatunayan na natin yan throughout the years na we'll have each other's back kahit anong mangyari. I love you and enjoy your day. We will meet again dyan sana, no? Sana dyan. Sana. Bye, Beshi. Love you.
Hi, Tonette. It's your special day today. Happy birthday. Welcome to the world of seniors. Ano lang to, quick kasi yung apo ko nangungulit. Hoping you have going to enjoy your day, and I'm wishing you the best of all in the world. Happy birthday again. You're always in my heart.
Hi, Tita Net. Happy birthday. Siyempre, ang wish ko, good health. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Take care. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Net. Happy birthday po. I wish you love and health and yeah, have a nice party.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy
Tita
birthday po, Tita Net.
Net. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma. Happy 60th birthday. Love you. Bye. Mwah.
Happy born day. Congrats on dual citizenship.
God bless pa more. Happy birthday. Blah, blah, blah.